of course, the screenshots that we take using our devices and emulators, they are fine. But when you go to the Google Play Store, you realize that the screenshots that most developers or companies that make app they create, they are very customized and they look stunning. Okay? So there are a lot of tools out there that you can use to enhance your screenshots. But one thing I will tell you is that do not enhance too much to where you are blurring between the reality of the application and what is it that you're trying to convey. Use these tools just to enhance what your application already does. Okay, it's not to make it too beautiful, too unreal, so that you can lure in users and then they get disappointed. Okay, try to always be honest. Very good. So if we go to the Google, as always, and you type tools to make app screenshots, awesome. You can see that you get a lot of hits, and you can go ahead and play around with each one of these. So go click at this one, for instance, and see if that's something that we would be interested in. So these are the kind of screenshots that you'll be creating and so forth. So just do your due diligence and look for the one that works for you. Right? For instance, this article here should be helpful. Best 12 tools to create amazing screenshot for your mobile app. Most of these articles are still valid. So go ahead and read and try to figure out what works for you. Most of these tools are actually available for Android and iOS. Okay? And some of them may be free or paid or both. As you can see, for instance, this one, the App Launchpad, has a free and a paid plan. Okay, and for most of them you can actually just use the free plan and you should be okay. When you start getting really serious about creating an application that's really polished and looks good, it's always important to start thinking about investing in a good tool of your liking. Okay, so do your research and go from there. All right, so I'm not going to spend too much time with this because this is just customization, and I'm very confident that you can actually go ahead and find the one that you like and start putting things together. The other thing you can do, you can always use a photo editor such as Photoshop or Canva or whatever you use, and just take these images, the screenshots that you took, and then enhance them that way. All right, so I just wanted to quickly show you different ways to enhance your screenshots. All right, so I hope you find one that you like and go for it.